What's up YouTube? This is going to be a quick eyebrow tutorial. So to start things off, I'm just taking the length out of my eyebrows using the one guard open. When you're doing this, you always want to start with a higher guard and work your way down. The last thing you want to do is cut your eyebrows too short because then there's no going back. So I typically start with like a 2 or a 3 guard. If that doesn't get to the length I like, I keep working my way down, and I figured out this 1.5 is about the length I usually like. So now I'm going with my trimmers, and I'm just pretty much hitting all those hairs that are outside of my natural shape. Guys typically don't like their eyebrows super sharp or super skinny, but it all depends on what you like. You can make them, as sharp or as natural as possible. But kind of the same thing, you don't want to take too much off at any given time. Take your time with it. You can always take more hair off, but there's no going back once you make things too short or too skinny. So as you saw, I hit the top of my eyebrows, I hit a little bit below, and now I'm just kind of hitting that side area and that unibrow area as well. Eyebrows are something you could really, jack up pretty easily. So really just be careful when you're using your trimmer or your clipper. Just make sure you're having a steady hand. And it can be a little bit weird if it's your first time, getting the coordination down and all, so just really take your time with it. So right there, I'm just kind of pushing all the hair straight up. That way, any hairs that are going to be a little bit longer than I want, they're going to stick out of that shape, and I'm just going to hit them with my trimmer. So you can do that with your hand, or you can use a comb, whatever you want. Now to finish things off here, I'm coming with my straight razor. This is a really good tool if you have one and you know how to use it. As you can see, I'm just stretching the skin a lot, and I'm pretty much just hitting all the areas I hit with my trimmer. The trimmer is going to get it pretty close down to the skin, but the straight razor is what's going to take it all the way down to the skin. So it's definitely a really good tool to have. But once again, you just want to take your time, make sure you're stretching that skin, and make sure you're not going side to side. You're just going, up and down with it. If you go side to side, you're going to end up cutting yourself up pretty good, so just be very careful. So this was a video I had a lot of people ask me for. Eyebrows are pretty simple to do. They're easy to mess up, so like I said, take your time. But I hope this was helpful. And, if there's any other videos you guys want to see, let me know down in the comments. Let me know what you guys thought of this, and let me know if you have any questions. If you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, and I'll catch you in the next video.